So looking back on your childhood, what do you see that your parents were trying to pass on to you? Values or?
Well, in general values, I think integrity, hard work, education, the traditional values that I hope I've been able to pass on to our children, and I hope in turn and I think they are passing on to their children. In terms of religion, as I said, my father was passed on the Yiddish language, and which carries within itself a lot of more than just a way of communication. It carries a lot of cultural values in it. And my mother made sure that we had some association with religious observance, and I think that got carried forward.